Customize your home screen with GoodLock. First of all, go to your Galaxy store and search for GoodLock. Make sure to install the GoodLock app. Now, launch the GoodLock app. And here, under plugins, you have to find out Home App. So scroll down here and just find out Home App. Tap on Home App and just tap on this download button to install this Home App plugin in GoodLock. Once the Home App plugin installed, go back and now tap on Home App. Here, tap on Next. Try it. Enable Home App. Now, to customize our home screen, just tap on Home Screen. Make sure to enable Home Screen option. Now, tap on, enable DIY Home Screen. So make sure to enable this option. Then go back to your home screen. It's time to customize our home screen. Long press on an empty space. Here, tap on DIY Home. And now, you can easily place any widget or any app anywhere, just like so. Now, if you want to add any text or emoji to your home screen, tap on this emoji icon. Here, you can select any shape. You can draw something here and you can write text, select text and selecting this font. And now just write here your own text, just like so. Select your text and again going to emoji. Let's add this emoji, for example. You can also resize your emoji, just like so. You can rotate. You can also rotate any widget, just like so. And now if select multiple apps or multiple widgets, then tap on this alignment icon. Now you can align your apps or widgets, just like so. And then you can select any item to delete. Just tap on this delete icon after selecting the item and those items will be deleted. Let's again tap on this emoji icon. Here, let's select here this shape. Let's add this shape. Here we can see the shape add date. You can also resize the shape. That's how. Just go ahead and customize your home screen. Once your editing finish, again let's go to our GoodLock and this time go to home screen again, and here you can scroll down and enable pop-up folder. Then you can adjust your pop-up folder size. So currently my pop-up size is this one. Let's customize this pop-up size, selecting here large. And now if I open any pop-up folder, here we can see the pop-up folder size changed. You can also enable or disable variable size, position, central, fixation and hide edit bar. Then go back. Here you can change or edit large folder. You can also change folder screen grid and apps screen grid. Let's select here 6x7. And as you can see, my app library app changed. And again go back to the GoodLock app. Go back and here you will find a bunch of different options to customize. To work with task changer, just enable this plugin. And here you can change your task changer layout. You can select grid. Here we can see changed. You can select vertical list. As you can see the preview, you can select slim list. Here we can see the result, or title stack. Then you can change mini mode. So go ahead and customize, then enable edge panel. And here you can customize each panel. So go ahead and just customize your home screen with this GoodLock app. That's it.